Hi, this is Ketogenic Jim, and once again we're doing a little bit of a marinade recipe. This is the morning time. We're going to be doing a tandoori chicken. It's an Indian grilled chicken. It has a lot of flavor and a lot of spice. It's going to be fantastic. What we're going to do is some cutting on the chicken to open it up, and then we're going to season it. Okay, usually tandoori chicken is going to be a curry cut chicken. It's going to be cut up into multiple different pieces in a very specific way. Instead, I'm going to spatchcock cut the chicken, which is also called butterfly cut or sputtlecock cut. Essentially, you just take the backbone of the chicken out. You lay it breast flat, breast down, and you kind of just feel where your backbone is. Okay, now we've taken the backbone out, so what we're going to do is flip the chicken over, and then we'll just open everything up, open the wings up, and all that, and just push down on the chicken breast to kind of flatten everything out. And that is a butterflied chicken. Okay, so the next step is to do our marinade, our dry rub. What we use is a half a teaspoon of turmeric, a half a teaspoon to a tablespoon of turmeric, about a half a teaspoon of mixed spices, which has coriander seeds, caraway, nutmeg, ginger powder, and clove powder, about a half a teaspoon of chilies. I need to add a little bit more chilies. About a tablespoon of Garam masalla, which is the main Indian spice. And then a little bit extra coriander. Coriander and garam masala is extremely fragrant. You can smell it. And that's going to be our tandoori dry rub mix. Going to mix this together. Okay, so now the next step, we're going to, you can do this before you start mixing your dry rub, but I don't like the chicken to get super moist. It's going to do that as it marinates anyways. But you just salt your chicken. You just go over a nice thin layer of salt, and what that does is it draws the moisture out of the skin. It'll make the skin a little bit crispy if you really salt over it. But what that's going to do, it's going to draw a little bit of the moisture up, and that's going to let the dry rub actually sit and stick to the chicken skin. Now we're going to take our dry rub and just spread it across the top. And we're going to cover it in tin foil and let it marinate for around 3 hours. Okay, it's been a few hours. It is almost 5 o'clock, it's 4:45, so we're now going to start putting our chicken on the grill. Okay, our tandoori grilled chicken is done, so we're going to get it off the grill onto a plate and dish it out. I'm going to just leave it upside down for now until we get it in. Looks good. Okay, so our chicken is completely done. So now I'm going to just cut it up and plate it out. And we also got our cucumber salad, the Indian raita. We're going to put that as the side. Okay, and that is your tandoori chicken with the raita cucumber salad. The main thing is the tandoori chicken. A lot of different spices and seasonings. You just mix it together and you rub it in, and it's delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, like my recipes, I'd really appreciate it if you just subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also I'm more active on Instagram. I do a lot of different pictures. It's the same name as my channel, Ketogenic Jim. Also follow me on Twitter, Ketogenic Jim. I'm doing a course coming up, an actual ketogenic living course. It's going to be about 7 weeks long. If you want to get in on that, contact me at ketogenicjim@gmail.com. Hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll get that set up and we'll be starting up. We have a lot of interest into it and space is limited, so definitely get in contact. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.